today we're going to be setting up our Minecraft mod. So first, you need to install Java 16, and to do that, you need to go to adoptium.net, choose latest, and click latest release. In my case, I've already installed it, so I can cancel. Next, you need to download the Minecraft Forge mod development kit, and to do that, you click this button. You have to wait, if you don't have an ad blocker on, you have to wait 5 seconds, and then you have to click skip. This is how Forge earns its revenue. After that, you can make a folder on your desktop. You can click new folder and say, I'll choose tutorial mod. Then you can unpack this mod development kit and extract it to your tutorial mod folder. After you've done that, you can remove these text files. They don't do anything. You're going to need the rest of these though. After that, you can install an integrated development environment, or an IDE for short. I personally choose Eclipse. You can click this download button and click download 86x64 and click this download button. I've already downloaded this, so I can cancel. You can also install IntelliJ if you want. After that, you can open this directory into a command prompt window or PowerShell window. I just use PowerShell. I'll just set this as my current directory. So let's type in the following commands: Gradle w gen eclipse runs dash dash refresh dash dependencies and double ampersand Gradle w eclipse. This will be different depending on what IDE you are using. So once you're done with that, we can press enter. I keep forgetting. After that, you can press enter, and we're going to wait for this to run. Now that this script has ran over the past 6 minutes, we can now open this project in Eclipse. Once you've imported this project into Eclipse, you're probably going to have a red exclamation mark in the directory. This means that there's something wrong with the build path. So in order to fix that, we're going to have to add the JDK library to this build path, and it'll solve it. After that, you can go to source main resources, meta-inf, and mods.toml. And as you can see, it has a whole lot of comments. So we're going to get all these comments out. The mod loader will be Java FML, and the loader version will be 37. The license will be all rights reserved. You could just put ISC license or LGPL, the new public license, lesser new public license version 2.1 or something. You could put an issue tracker URL, but we're not going to do that. If we go to our mods, you could say our mod ID will be example mod. Let's just change it to tutorial. And the next one will be the version. Let's just say 1.0.0. And the display name, let's put tutorial mod. There's also display URLs and stuff. We're not going to use those. There's also credits, descriptions, the credits, authors, and descriptions. We don't need these dependencies. Let's put the description as tutorial mod. You could put 3 single quotes for a long form description. Now let's set the credits to 30 wordy MCJTY. And the authors as so. Now that we have this set up, we can go rename this into I own the domain. I own the bwbjustin.com domain, so yeah. Tutorial. Now we can rename this to tutorial mod. If you open it, you're going to see all of this. We're going to have to set our mod ID to tutorial because that's what we set it in mods.toml. We can also put, we're going to remove a lot of stuff. And we can also remove the unused imports. Once you've done that, you can now run client. I cannot believe I did all this in one shot. After you've done that, we can go into the mods and we could see that we have our mod right here. So that's all we have to do for setting up. We'll add more packages in the next tutorial, but for this time, we're just going to leave it here. Alright, catch you soon.